The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the tray from the housing. Remove the access panel. You can raise the vent to the on position by starting your car and pushing the recirculating air button. Unclip the 3 tabs from the filter frame to remove it, and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter. Insert your new AQ1102C filter into the housing, with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the tray. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.